PharmaCap from LFA. The PharmaCap is our desktop capsule filler, which is perfect for small to medium batch production. It's a great option for individuals or organisations wanting to develop and test new concepts. It's designed to accurately fill hard-shell capsules for compounding pharmacies, R&D, pharmaceutical products, herbal, Ayurvedic and the dietary supplement industry. One of the main advantages of the PharmaCap is that it is a fraction of the price of high-output capsule fillers. The PharmaCap is easy to use because of its simplistic design. Once loaded with capsules, it separates them, allowing you to fill the capsules with powder. The capsule caps are replaced and the capsules are sealed. Each cycle can produce 300 capsules with a possible output of 6,000 capsules per hour from sizes from 00 to 5. Although the number of capsules produced will change per size, our capsule filler can fill gelatin, vegetarian and HPNC with powder and pellets. Supplied with 3 capsule trays in a size of your choice from 00 to 5, allowing you to pre-fill the trays, making producing accurate, consistent batches even faster. Made from 304 stainless steel, the PharmaCap follows GMP requirements and can be fully cleaned in accordance with GMP standards. LFA will supply videos and documentation on how to use the PharmaCap efficiently to get the most out of it. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfacapsulefillers.com.